Are you stuck at the same weight no matter how hard you try? These common habits slow your metabolism, increase cravings, and keep your body from burning fat. In today's video, you're going to discover the 9 hidden weight loss mistakes almost everyone makes without realizing it. These are the traps that keep your cravings high, your energy low, and your metabolism stuck in slow motion. Once you understand what they are, losing weight becomes easier, smoother, and way more predictable. Let's get started. Number 1. Eating too little and slowing down your metabolism. Most people believe the fastest way to lose weight is to eat as little as possible. But starving yourself is actually the quickest way to make your metabolism crash. When you eat too little, your body panics. It thinks food is hard to find, so it slows everything down: your energy, your fat burning, even your mood. You end up burning fewer calories than before, even if you're eating way less. At first, it feels like it's working, because you drop a couple of pounds in the first week. But then everything stops. Your body holds onto fat like it's gold. You feel tired, cranky, and hungry 24/7. And here's the worst part. The moment you eat normally again, your body stores everything as fat because it's trying to prepare for the next starvation period. This is why so many people gain more weight back than they lost. Instead of eating tiny meals, your body needs enough food to feel safe. You should be eating balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy carbs so your metabolism stays active all day. When your body feels fed, it actually burns more calories. This is why people who eat enough, the right foods, lose more weight than people trying to starve their way to results. Number 2. Relying only on cardio and ignoring strength training. If you're doing endless cardio, hoping it will melt fat, you're not alone. Most people think running, cycling, or walking for hours will get them lean. But the truth is, cardio burns calories only while you're doing it. The moment you stop, your calorie burn drops back to normal. Strength training, on the other hand, is the real fat loss powerhouse. When you build even a little muscle, your body burns more calories 24/7, even while sleeping. Muscle is like your body's built-in fat-burning machine. The more you have, the more fat you burn without even trying. This is why people who lift weights look leaner, stronger, and more toned even when the scale barely changes. And here's the surprising part: you don't need a crazy gym routine or heavy weights. Even simple bodyweight exercises, squats, push-ups, lunges, can increase your metabolism. Just 2 or 3 sessions per week can make a huge difference. Cardio is great for your heart, but if you rely on it alone, you'll lose muscle before you lose fat, and that slows everything down. A mix of both is the sweet spot. Number 3. Eating healthy foods that are actually making you gain weight. This is one of the most frustrating mistakes because you think you're eating healthy, but your healthy choices are secretly loaded with sugar and calories. Foods like granola, flavored yogurt, protein bars, smoothies, dried fruit, store-bought juices, and even salad dressings can turn into sugar bombs without you noticing. A granola bowl can have more calories than a burger. A healthy smoothie from a cafe can pack 70-90 grams of sugar, which is more than a can of soda. And most flavored yogurts have as much added sugar as desserts. When sugar spikes your blood sugar levels, insulin also spikes. And insulin tells your body to store fat instead of burning it. This is why you can be eating good foods but still gaining weight. The key here is simple. Turn the package around and check the label. Look for added sugar, oils, and long ingredient lists. Choose foods that don't need labels: whole fruits, veggies, eggs, fish, chicken, beans, nuts, and simple yogurt. The fewer ingredients, the better. Healthy eating should make you feel energized, not confused, bloated, and stuck. Number 4. Not getting enough sleep and messing up your hunger hormones. This is the mistake almost everyone makes without knowing it. When you sleep less than 7 hours, your hunger hormones go crazy. Ghrelin, the hormone that makes you hungry, shoots up. Leptin, the hormone that tells your brain, "I'm full," goes down. So, even if you're eating normally, your brain keeps pushing you to eat more, especially high-calorie foods like chips, sweets, and bread. Studies show that even one night of bad sleep can increase your appetite by 20–25%. And not only that, lack of sleep makes your body hold on to fat, especially belly fat. Your stress hormone, cortisol, rises when you're sleep deprived, and cortisol tells your body to store fat around your stomach for safety. So you wake up hungry, tired, and craving junk, and your body keeps storing fat even if you're eating clean. Good sleep is not a luxury, it's part of your weight loss plan. Create a simple nighttime routine. Dim the lights, stop scrolling an hour before bed, keep your room cool, and avoid caffeine late in the day. When your sleep improves, your hunger gets under control, your cravings drop, and your metabolism finally gets the green light to burn fat again. Number 5. Drinking your calories without realizing it. Most people don't realize how many calories they drink every day. Soda, fruit juices, iced coffee, fancy lattes, energy drinks, milkshakes, flavored iced teas, and even sports drinks can add up to hundreds of calories without making you feel full at all. Your brain doesn't register liquid calories the same way it registers solid food, so you stay hungry even after drinking a sugary drink. One large iced coffee from a cafe can have as much sugar as 3 donuts. A fruit smoothie can be over 400 calories. A can of soda is basically liquid sugar. When your insulin keeps spiking from sugary drinks, your body never switches into fat-burning mode. You keep storing fat while wondering why nothing is changing. Switching to water, sparkling water, black coffee, green tea, or simple homemade drinks instantly cuts a huge amount of calories without feeling like you're on a diet. If you want flavor, add lemon slices, mint, berries, or cucumber. It's one of the easiest weight loss fixes with some of the fastest results. Number 6. Being perfect during the week and then overeating on weekends. Here's a mistake almost everyone has made. You eat clean Monday to Friday, then the weekend hits. And suddenly, you're eating out, ordering dessert, snacking late, and drinking more calories than you planned. Even if you eat perfectly 5 days a week, 2 days of overeating can wipe out all your progress. You can easily eat an extra 2,000–4,000 calories in a single weekend without realizing it. That's enough to stall weight loss for the entire week. And because weekends feel relaxed, people tend to underestimate what they're eating. A slice of pizza here, a snack there, a couple of drinks, it adds up fast. The goal is not to avoid fun foods, it's to stay mindful. Plan ahead. If you know you're eating out, choose one favorite thing, enjoy it, and keep the rest simple. Stay hydrated, don't skip breakfast, and don't walk in starving. Give yourself room to enjoy food without letting 2 days undo 5 days of work. Balance beats perfection every time. Number 7. Relying on willpower instead of creating a real plan. Most people think weight loss is all about being strong enough to resist cravings. But willpower fades fast. By the end of the day, after work, stress, and exhaustion, your brain has nothing left. That's why late-night cravings hit so hard. Your brain isn't weak, it's tired. And tired brains always choose the fastest source of energy, sugar and junk food. The truth is, willpower should never be your main weight loss strategy. Systems work better than motivation. If your meals aren't planned, your fridge is empty, or you're skipping meals, then junk food will always win. When you're hungry and unprepared, willpower doesn't stand a chance. You end up saying, "I'll start again tomorrow," over and over again. Having a simple plan makes weight loss 10 times easier. Prepping some meals, keeping healthy snacks ready, and having a grocery list can save you from a lot of bad choices. When your environment supports your goals, you don't need willpower at all. Eating healthy becomes the default, not the struggle. Number 8. Not eating enough protein and staying hungry all day. Protein is the most powerful hunger control tool most people aren't using. When you don't eat enough protein, you stay hungry all day, your cravings increase, and your body burns fewer calories. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar, increase metabolism, and keep you full for hours. Yet most people barely get enough to support fat loss. Studies show that higher protein meals can reduce cravings by up to 60%, especially late at night. Without enough protein, your body breaks down muscle for energy, which slows your metabolism even more. And the worst part? You think you're eating clean, but you're actually slowing down your progress with every low-protein meal. Adding protein doesn't mean eating massive amounts of meat. Eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, tuna, beans, lentils, tofu, and cottage cheese are all amazing. Aim to include protein at every meal so you feel full, eat less naturally, and keep your metabolism fired up all day long. Number 9. Expecting fast results and getting discouraged too quickly. This mistake breaks more people than any workout or diet ever will. We live in a world where everyone wants fast results. 7 days, 14 days, 1 week transformation. But real weight loss doesn't work like that. Expecting fast results only leads to disappointment, even if you're actually on the right track. The scale especially can be misleading. Water weight, hormones, digestion, inflammation, all of these can hide fat loss. You might be losing fat while the scale barely moves. But when you expect overnight results, every small slowdown feels like failure, even though it's totally normal. Instead of focusing on fast results, focus on steady results. Little changes add up to massive transformations. A pound a week is 52 pounds a year. Imagine how different you'd look and feel if you simply stayed consistent. Fast transformations fade. Slow, steady changes last forever. Subscribe now for more daily healthy tips.